You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So my hair is like, I washed my hair 2 weeks ago. No, this coming week is gonna make like 2 weeks, and I want to just add a little curl to my hair before I wash it again. So today we're gonna do some plait and flexi rod curls, and basically all you're gonna need is probably just a hair moisturizer. The one that I'm using is the Motions Daily Oil Moisturizer. And what else I'm also gonna need some flexi rods. Okay, so basically I'm just gonna part my hair like so. Then the next thing I'm gonna do is part hair in two. Add some moisturizer. To the hair. And then I am basically going to plait my hair. I have bags. That's basically it, and you just repeat the process for the rest of my hair. So I'm through, and I am just gonna sleep with this overnight. Take it out so I have the plaits roll up on the flexi rods and take them out tomorrow, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Hi guys, welcome back. So it's the next day, and I'm just gonna take these rollers out.
I'm just wondering how to that. Does the Privy Council, or would they have the authority to literally throw the case and also rule that there be no retrial, rather than send it back to the Court of Appeal?
No, they would not have that authority actually. For all they can rule that there was improprieties within the trial, they do have to send it back to the court of that jurisdiction that gave that decision to go ahead and look further into that based on their decision. But while the Privy Council ruling that didn't address some of the technical evidence that was also being objected to, by the defendants, therefore getting a retrial or even bringing that back to the Jamaican appeal court, yes, they can ultimately end up going back to the Privy Council after the appeals court has made a ruling on those issues regarding the technical evidence.
So this could be a longer drawn out case than it already is.
Hopefully it's not, and I do foresee that there's a possibility of bail application being made for the defendants, because at this stage they're neither innocent nor guilty, but the presumption of innocence is there, especially since the conviction was squashed. So let's see what happens. The reality is that it should not take a long drawn out process, because there is a time limit which is basically set in place for a retrial to take place. So even though we're not seeing it right now, there are things happening behind the scenes that come soon. We should be hearing a decision regarding that.
Okay, alright, so I'm actually there. Thank you so very much for joining us, Mr. Michael Diamond, attorney at law, and we have now Pastor Christopher Kennedy, Pastor John Lyon, and Church. Have a safe and beautiful day. Let's join us. The morning watch listeners return just to you. Jeff Baker and his workforce are advancing quickly. The life change.
So this is basically it, guys. So I don't know if you guys like it, but it didn't turn out how I wanted it to turn out. It still looked good-ish, but I expected it to look better, and for me this is a fail. I don't know if for you it is a fail. If you like it, let me know down in the comment section what you think about it, if you think it's okay, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe today. If you like it, give us a thumbs up as well, and if you love it, share with a friend, and you'll definitely see me in my next video. So yeah. Yes guys, due to how my mommy was hurrying me, so I have to come out the house. So basically tie another tie around my hair like so, catch up the top, and there you have it.